Let's talk about the elephant in the room, and that really is AI. Because as someone who's working with agency founders, as someone who's run and continue to run a very successful digital marketing agency, what's really happening in the space, and what is exciting you about the world that we live in today?
I'm very excited and frustrated. So depends. The frustrated होता हूँ, 3 बजे excited, फिर 4 बजे frustrated, 5 बजे excited. It keeps going on like this because when I find something, I know that I'm not the only one who found it. 10 million people around the world have found it. And then somebody is going to take it and become the first mover. And today is not time to wait and say, I'll become third, 10th, whatever. Within 2 weeks, somebody else will offer that same thing. You cannot take so much time.
Sure.
So, for example, we have 7 modules in our coaching program. We call it Get Mindset, Get Fit, Get Known, Get Lead, Get Sales, Get Teams, Get System, Get Success. So everything in our life we see from that same lens. So from fitness to being getting known, let's say get known and get leads.
Yeah.
Now so for me, I will make you almost about 2 videos a day, 3 videos a day, 60 a week, 15 a week, 60 a month, so 720 videos. Today I'm making maybe 10% of them and HeyGen is going to make the rest of them. So I can spend that time back to number 1. Number 2, when it comes to leads, AI tools are telling me, okay, this ad didn't work, this worked. So are you okay if I make another one with your photo and your language? I said yes, and it makes another one. And I don't want to even ask me if this one is working. If it's not working, figure it out yourself.
Crazy.
So that's going to take all my time away from ads. So we have time like Monday I'll do this, Tuesday I'll do this. So my calendar is going to become a 4-day calendar. And rest I'm going to give back to my kids. So I'm loving that fact.
Right.
And yesterday I was watching this one of the spiritual gurus, new gentleman who's come up. Very nice. I think I'm paraphrasing, but what I learned from him was he said that this whole thing is coming at the right time in the universe for people to have more time. अब हो जाएगा, अब अपने के लिए time निकालो और खुश रहने के लिए time निकालो. So that is exactly what I was telling myself since AI came. I will have more time and everybody will have more time for themselves. I'm not saying कि अब 8 घंटे का काम है, अब आप 4 गुना करो, घर जाओ and actually reach home in time before your kids go to sleep. That is now possible again.
Yeah.
But if you take this and say, 100x करना है, फिर तो आप हंसते रहो. So it depends. Some people will go that route, some people will go this route. But to be able to create a song or your parents' anniversary or an anthem for your company logo or to tell agency founders that today I tell people,